Welcome to MRB AI. Today, we're exploring the 5 must-have AI tools that every beginner should know in 2025. Whether you're a student, creative, or professional, these tools will make your life easier and boost your productivity. Stay tuned until the end, because the 5th tool is a real game changer. Tool 1. ChatGPT 5e. ChatGPT 5 is the ultimate AI writing assistant. Whether you need to draft emails, write essays, or brainstorm ideas, this tool delivers fast and accurate content. Features: generates high-quality texts in seconds, assists with research and idea generation, perfect for content creators and students. Farm usage. Simply enter your question or prompt, and ChatGPT provides detailed answers, saving you hours of work. Tool 2. Pictory AI. Pictory AI transforms text into stunning videos. If you're new to video creation, this tool makes the process easy and professional. Features: automatically converts script to videos, includes voiceovers and background music, ideal for YouTube, presentations, and marketing. Usage: insert your text, select visuals, and Pictory AI will create a polished video in minutes. Tool 3. Canva AI. Canva AI is a powerful design tool for beginners. Whether you're creating social media posts or presentations, it offers easy-to-use templates and AI assistance. Features: AI-powered design suggestions, customizable templates for all needs, perfect for quick and professional designs. Usage: choose a template, customize it with your content, and let Canva AI enhance your design effortlessly. Ideal for personal and business use. Usage: select a template, customize it, and use the AI features to quickly enhance your designs. Tool 5. Tome AI. Tome AI is an advanced presentation tool that uses AI to create stunning, professional slides in minutes. It's ideal for students, professionals, and content creators who want to save time. Features: automatically generates presentations from simple prompts, customizable slides with AI design assistance, perfect for pitches, reports, and storytelling. Usage: enter your topic, let Tome AI create the slides and customize them to fit your style effortlessly. Call to action: which of these tools impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss exciting AI content. This was MRB AI. See you in the next video. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. In a world where technology evolves every day, those who embrace AI today will lead tomorrow. Are you ready to be one of them?